Good morning, it's Captain Brian here in this morning's edition of Get Boativated. I want to talk to you about an old cartoon. I don't know if you remember Popeye the Sailor Man. He had his Brutus and olive oil, and the one main character on there was Wimpie, and I never really thought about it until the other day. So for some reason it popped in my head, as most of you know me. So I like to live a stress-free, debt-free lifestyle. By being debt-free, helps you be more stress-free. And I was thinking about Wimpie. He liked his hamburgers. He liked to get his burgers today for payment on Tuesday. That was his famous tagline in that show. And to me, that analogy is more about what a credit card is. So let me pay for it today with this credit card, and I'll gladly pay for you next Tuesday. But they never talked about interest being compiled on top of that hamburger fee for Wimpie, but for the average American who has a credit card, who is basically buying all your stuff today to pay for on Tuesday, is cost you more money to make that purchase. So think about what you're buying. Unless you're paying your credit card off every month, which is awesome if you're doing that. That is absolutely what you should do, because I do not like paying interest whatsoever. And I think most people should be in that same mind frame, because you're just paying more for something that you don't have to do. Sure, you buy it when it's on sale, use that credit card, and because you don't have the money because your payday doesn't get here till Friday, then you get that. Then you buy it now and you forget about it, and then you buy something later, and all of a sudden you can't pay that credit card off this month because you've overspent your allotment. You can't make your payment, you're overextending yourself. So you say, I'll pay it next month, I'm due for a raise, I'll get it next month. And it doesn't happen then again, and then you get it, and then it's rolling over, and now you're paying interest on an average daily balance, of anywhere from 12 to 25%, depending on what your credit card is. So think about that. Think of Wimpie back in the day saying, and you used to laugh at it as a cartoon, I'll gladly pay you Tuesday for a hamburger today. And it's exactly what we're doing with our credit cards and letting those roll and compile, and you're paying more for that. You might save a little bit on the sale because you're impulsively buying something by doing that. So when you're out there shopping, think about what you're buying. Do I really need this today? Will I regret it next week? Will I be using it next week? And figure that out. To help you do that, I'm Captain Brian. Let's get motivated. If you need some help making a strategy plan to get yourself out of debt, or to get your business rolling so you're making more money, so you're putting more money in your pocket while doing less work, I'm here for you. You can reach me at motivation.net, or just give me a call, 239-601-1987. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.